Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be making a cinnamon swirl bread. This takes basic ingredients that you've probably already got in your pantries. You're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 egg beaten, calls for 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to use coconut oil, that's what I have. Then 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and it calls for 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm going to use 3 teaspoons. Seems like I always need more cinnamon in a recipe than it calls for. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, it says to mix 1/3 cup of your sugar and cinnamon in a bowl. We're going to stir this up real good and set it aside. Make sure the cinnamon's all stirred up in there. And we're going to set that aside. Now in this bowl we're going to combine our flour, the rest of the sugar, baking powder, and the salt. Give that a good mix. Now in a separate bowl we're going to add the milk, the egg, and the oil. I may have to heat up my coconut oil because this is not gonna, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna add my oil. This may just turn back to solid. That's the only thing about coconut oil. We'll just mix this up real good. And now we're going to add this to our flour mixture. Stir that up real good. I've got my oven preheating to 350. Okay. It said to just mix until everything's moistened. Okay, I've got my well-used loaf pan sprayed. We're going to put 1/2 of the batter in. Spread that out. Then we're going to use 1/2 of our cinnamon mixture and sprinkle on top. Then we're going to put the rest of the batter over top that. Might want to do like dollops of batter. Okay, and sort of spread that around. Try not to get your cinnamon up there. Okay, now I'm going to take the rest of the cinnamon mixture and sprinkle on top of that. Then I'm going to take a butter knife, you see that, and just swirl it. Now we're going to bake this in the oven, a 350-degree oven, for 45 to 50 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, here it is out of the oven. We're going to let this sit in the pan for 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Wish me luck. I'm going to try to get it out of the pan here. Oh, good. Turned right over. Okay. Now I'm going to just let this set and cool. The recipe says to, once it cools, to wrap it in aluminum foil and let it set overnight and then slice. Well, we won't be doing that. I'm just going to let it cool. It'll probably slice better if you do that, but we're going to eat some tonight. We'll be back when it cools all the way down.
Ooh, look how pretty. Looks good, folks. Dan?
Daniel just got home from work. He's going to try it out.
You'll have to mind my hands.
And if you see his hands,
That's coming from work.
Yeah, he's still breaking out, and the black is from his hands are just stained up.
That's really good.
Delicious.
Just need a glass of milk now.
See the little swirl? Alright, is it good?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Alright guys. Okay. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us. And have a great and blessed weekend.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.